Imagine you're a merchant, struggling to keep up with the ever-evolving world of digital payments. You've tried countless solutions, but none seem to fit your needs perfectly. What if there was a payment platform that could simplify your life, boost your sales, and provide a seamless experience for your customers? That's where FavePay comes in. Ever wondered what merchants like you are doing to stay ahead of the curve in the digital age? Let's dive into the world of FavePay and discover how it's transforming the way businesses operate. The rise of FavePay. FavePay has rapidly gained popularity among merchants of all sizes. But what makes it so special? Let's explore some of the key features and benefits that have contributed to its success. User-friendly interface. FavePay boasts an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. This means you can start accepting digital payments in no time. Multiple payment options, from QR codes to card payments and e-wallets. FavePay offers a wide range of payment options to cater to your customers' preferences. Low transaction fees. One of the biggest concerns for merchants is transaction fees. FavePay offers competitive rates, helping you maximize your profits. Enhanced security. Your customers' data is safe with FavePay. The platform employs advanced security measures to protect against fraud and data breaches. Merchant testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from real merchants who have experienced the benefits of FavePay firsthand. Small business owner. FavePay has been a game changer for my small business. It's helped me attract more customers and streamline my operations. I can't imagine running my business without it. Restaurant owner. Since implementing FavePay, we've seen a significant increase in our sales. Customers love the convenience of paying with their smartphones. It's been a great investment. Online retailer. FavePay's integration with my online store was seamless. The platform has helped me expand my reach and reach a wider customer base. FavePay's impact on businesses. Beyond the convenience and security, FavePay offers a range of benefits that can positively impact your business. Increased sales. By offering a variety of payment options, FavePay can help you attract more customers and boost your sales. Improved customer experience. A seamless payment experience can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhanced efficiency. FavePay can help you streamline your operations and reduce manual tasks, freeing up time to focus on other areas of your business. FavePay's future. FavePay is constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of merchants and customers. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative features and services from FavePay in the future. So, if you're a merchant looking to take your business to the next level, FavePay is a solution worth considering. With its user-friendly interface, competitive rates, and advanced security features, FavePay can help you simplify your operations, attract more customers, and increase your profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.